keto cooking. I wanted to share it with you today. Keto is amazing. I mean, I have some people who say, Cathy, I don't think I can do keto. I want my Rocky Road ice cream. I want my snacks. I want my treats. I want this and that. And it's like, oh my goodness, if you only knew what foods we're saying no to and how easy it is to say yes to the keto lifestyle. So what I'm making today is some chicken, cream cheese, green onions, and bacon wraps. So I already have pounded the chicken. Here's the cream cheese mixed with mozzarella cheese and green onions. And I'm going to be rolling that together like this and surrounding it with, this is going to amaze you. Truly, I'm going to be taking this bacon and wrapping it nice and tightly around the chicken. 1 to 2 slices is what you can do, and then you're going to put toothpicks, put that in, secure it, cook it, turn it over, finish cooking, and it's going to be so good. So what's not to love there, right? It's really good and so simple. Now what I'm doing is I have some extra chicken that I made into chunks right here, and I have my standby. I make a bunch of this together. This is almond flour, our Wakaya organic ginger and turmeric. Our sea salt is in this, as well as unsweetened coconut flakes and tapioca, and that's about it. And I put that egg in, or the chicken into an egg, beaten eggs. Then I coat it with the flour mixture. Now remember, it's not flour, it's almond flour, so it's gluten-free and keto friendly. And put that in, and I cook with a New Wave oven. Oh my goodness, if you don't have the New Wave oven, especially if you're single or just 2 of you, I don't ever use my oven. In fact, I have the oven disconnected from the breakers. I have it so that it's not pulling any energy, so I'm not wasting energy with that, because I don't cook with it stove or oven, because I have the pick oven or pick stove from New Wave. But it cooks, and the thing that I love about it is the fact that it cooks. I can't remember all the different forms, infrared, all these 4 different ways of having it cooked. It cooks quicker, but also leftovers and things that are frozen. You could cook a frozen turkey in that and have it end up being perfect. That's what I love. So what I do is I prep, make these meals, put them into quart-size Ziploc baggies, separate them out, and so then I just put in here for my dinner at night, cook it, and it's all frozen, so there isn't any lost food with, oh darn, the 5 days have exceeded and I didn't get through all that food. Nothing gets wasted at all. It's awesome. So that's 2 different meals I'm making, and then the third meal I'm going to be making, but I'm not going to on here, but just showing you the ingredients. It's 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese. It is 2 large eggs, but I have 3 because these are from my darling daughter's farm. They have adorable hands and lay mega eggs, so they're a little bit smaller, they're not large, so I'm going to do 3 eggs, then the good old standby cream cheese and coconut flour. So let me see, 1.5 cups. Riley, you are not to be up there. That was not, I apologize, I think you got a butt view there, sorry about that. 1.5 cups of mozzarella. Where's my cheat sheet? Here it goes. Don't want to mess this up. So 1.5 cups mozzarella, 2 tablespoons cream cheese, 2 large eggs. Like I said, I'm having 3 eggs because they're not huge ones. And then 1/3 cup coconut flour. Now what we do is, I won't for time's sake do it all here, but mix those together. The cream cheese is softened, put it all together. Again, I don't even have a microwave oven. So I soften this cream cheese so that I don't have to use a microwave. So mix those all together, flatten them out with parchment paper, really thin, and then it fits perfectly in my New Wave oven. Cook that 7 minutes. I actually flip it over so that both sides are nice and toasty, and it makes pizza crust. And freeze that and have that pulled out have it as you will. Or the sticks could be, just put some extra cheese on the sticks. So when I pull out for pizza, I'll put some pizza sauce on there that's no sugar added. And then pepperoni is keto friendly, bacon, and just whatever else you want, more cheese. And it's really, really good. It's really good. I would have to say pizza was one of my weaknesses. And this was interesting, and I realized this after I had my last time I had one of the pizzas was, I just make them into a quarter size, right? One piece. I was so full, and it was a realization of like, oh my goodness, when I would have like Domino's pizza, well, any pizza, it didn't matter if it was Domino's, but it didn't stop at one piece. And can you relate with that? One piece ended up with two, and then, golly, I just have to have another one. Just three. I'm not gonna have it all. And then, you wonder, why are we so heavy? Why? Because the foods that are processed and those type of foods get us so that we think we're still hungry, and the cravings and that sugarness, we want more and more and more, and we just can't get enough. And then when we're done, it's like, oh my gosh, I feel miserable. With the keto foods, I am full. I am not uncomfortable. I am satisfied. So if you want to be satisfied, you want to be burning fat, you want to be eating foods that you never thought you were supposed to eat, again, butter, just all the things that we're told no to, and you want to get rid of the fat and get healthy, then let's connect. Also, another thing, Jennifer Halliday, she's worked with Mr. Gilmore before Wakai Perfection became a network marketing company just about a year ago. She has worked with him when he was with Fiji Water, and she's our spokesperson along with Om McKibben with the Bullifit system. But she really gave me a wake-up call, and she said, we can be skinny and unhealthy. And that was like, ouch. Because I have a disease that keeps me from doing a lot of exercising, or really hardly any of the exercise. Just any pounding on my foot or ankle has really caused a lot of pain. So I just haven't done a lot of exercise. Even my first 90 days with the Bullifit, the Keto Fuel and the Burn, losing 18 pounds, I didn't really do much exercise. I did a little bit of Owen's exercises he recommends on our amazing, I'm going to be out of sight here, Bullabobble. So we have our exercises on the back of here, some really easy ones to do at home. So no gym, no weights, no problem. So I was doing a little bit, but that just really haunted me. So on the second 90-day challenge, there's now a fitness component. I took on the fitness challenge. I'm 72 days into the challenge, and have done everyday activity. Shocked me. But it really was those words from Jennifer saying we can be skinny and we can be unhealthy. And it's like, I don't want to be. I want to be lean and healthy inside and out. I lost my mom to colon cancer when I was 18. 4 years she battled that. I don't want my daughters to lose me early. I don't want, I want to take care of myself, so I'm around for a longer period of time. Not only God knows my last day, but I'm going to do everything I can to be as healthy as possible now, so I can enjoy my grandsons, my daughters, their families, and life. So anyway, this is my cooking, some of the keto food that I enjoy, and join. Give me a call, put my number on here, but let's connect. Let's reach out on Facebook as well. But enjoy. Have a great day. Go Hots!